In this video, I'm gonna show you how to insert video in PowerPoint. So let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation on your PC. Now select the slide where you wish to insert the video. Now from the top menu, click Insert and then click on Video option. Here you will find three options. This video. By using this option, you can insert video from your own device. Second is stock videos. Here you can insert the video from the stock video library. And the third option is online videos. Using this option, you can insert video that are hosted on online like YouTube or Dailymotion. So first we will see how you can insert video from your own device. So to do that, just click on first option, this device. A file selection box will open. Now go to the location where you have stored your video. Now select the video that you want to insert in PowerPoint slide. Click Insert. And as you can see, the video is now inserted into the PowerPoint. Now if you click the play button, the video starts playing. You can resize the image as per your needs. You can align it wherever you want. And if you go to the video format, you will find various options where you can add video border, you can use video effects, or you can use the video shape as well. So you can customize it as per your requirements. Let's delete this video and see the second option. Click on Insert. Now click Video and then click on Online Videos. Now using this option, as I said earlier, you can insert the video from online platforms like YouTube or Dailymotion. So to do that, just go to the browser and then copy the video URL. Now in the PowerPoint slide, just paste the URL. Now click Insert. And as you can see, the video is now inserted into the PowerPoint slide. Similar to the first option, you can resize it or align it as per your needs. Even you can add the various options like video shape, video border or video effects to the inserted video in PowerPoint slide. So that is how you can insert video in PowerPoint. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.